road trip becomes a real pleasure. In the southwestern regions of Saudi Arabia, as the mountain roads in their details give you an exceptional and amazing experience. The best way to feel the spirit of adventure and discovery in the southern Arabia is to take a trip to Aqabat, or those winding roads that cut through the mountains. The environment will never disappoint you, with its richness and diversity. On those mountain roads, Aqabat are a group of mountain roads located along the Sarawat mountain range. Its construction began in 1977 as a solution that was able to reach the tops of the mountains. Located in Al Suda Mountains of Abha, Aqabat Al Samar is a 7 kilometers long mountain road, which was constructed in 1996 to connect Abha with the historical village of Rijal Alma.
Rijal Alma flashbacks in our minds. Whenever we talk about traditional Arabian architectures, the village is not only famous for the magnificent views offered by its colorful houses, but also for its historical significance. Located at a distance of about 50 kilometers from Abha, capital of Asir Region, this ancient village was used to be a natural passage that linked between Yemen, Makkah, Medina, and Levant. After the birth of Islam, it became an important stop for Yemeni pilgrims on their way to Makkah for Hajj. Around 60 South Arabian traditional palaces built of stone, clay and wood talk about the wealth the village accumulated off passing caravans. Upon reaching Rijal Alma, a traveler finds there a place rich in history and tradition, which is now turned to one of the most popular tourist attractions in Asir, with the most stunning surprises hidden inside its walls. After passing through the sculpted doors, each dark stone building turns out to be a jewellery box containing of a treasure.